Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how we can use WhatsApp in our computer. So at first, uh, open the Microsoft Store. Like you search on your computer, then open the Microsoft Store. Then let it open. Then over here, type WhatsApp. Then it show up WhatsApp desktop. And then from here, you install it. So let it install. It may take a couple minutes, depend on the speed of your internet and obviously the processor speed of your computer. So here I'm installing the WhatsApp desktop application in my computer. So you can see now this product is installed. Now I'm gonna launch it. I'm gonna click here to launch this software to this computer. So you can click here at the launch, and there you go. It's it has launched. Now just follow this on-screen instruction. Open WhatsApp on your phone. So you need to open WhatsApp on your phone, like I'm opening right now. So I just open the WhatsApp. Now I'm gonna click that tab menu, like on your WhatsApp at the top right corner. There's like a three, like a tab kind of icon. So on the very top right corner, so click there and then go to settings. So settings menu, then go to settings on your WhatsApp, and then select linked device. If you don't have this option on your WhatsApp, then very top right corner, you will see a like a scanning icon. So click over there, and then you'll see my code and then scan code option. So click on the scan code and then take a picture from your phone to uh, this picture, to this the QR code, and then hit link device. Now click to reload QR code. Just doing one more time. There you go. It's working now. See, it's opening. You can on your phone. You can click here. So now it's working. So we just install WhatsApp in our Windows 10 computer. So this is how very easily you can install WhatsApp on your uh, Windows 10 or even Windows 8 computer. And after you install, you can type WhatsApp desktop, and then boom, it's opening. See, that's how it's open. And so now very easily you can open your WhatsApp from your computer and then do like all the stuff you do as like you do on your phone. You can do the same thing from your computer. So very simple, very easy to use WhatsApp on your computer. If you like our this video, please like and share and hit the subscribe button for our next upcoming video. Thanks.